Pay-per-click advertising is like a fast track to reaching your target audience online. It's a way to get your website in front of potential customers right when they're searching for products or services like yours. Imagine someone searching for industrial automation solutions on Google. With PPC, your ad can appear at the top of the search results, instantly grabbing their attention. Here's how it works. You create ads and bid on specific keywords related to your business. When someone searches for those keywords, your ad has a chance to appear. You only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad, hence the name pay-per-click. This makes PPC a highly cost-effective advertising method, as you're only paying for interested leads. Think of PPC as a way to rent prime real estate in the digital world. You're essentially placing your business right where your ideal customers are already looking. It's about being seen at the right moment and driving targeted traffic to your website. PPC advertising allows you to set a budget that aligns with your marketing goals. You can choose how much you're willing to spend per click, and track your campaign's performance in real time. This level of control makes PPC an attractive option for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large corporations. In today's digital landscape, engineering and manufacturing firms face intense competition. Traditional marketing methods often fall short in reaching the right audience online. This is where PPC advertising steps in as a game changer. Engineering and manufacturing often involve complex products and services that require specialized knowledge to understand. PPC allows you to target your ideal customers with laser precision, ensuring that your message reaches the right decision-makers in the industry. Consider this. A manufacturing company specializing in precision machining needs to attract aerospace companies looking for specific components. With PPC, they can target keywords like aerospace machining services or titanium aircraft parts. This ensures that their ads are seen by the right people actively searching for those services. Moreover, PPC enables you to track and measure the return on investment of your campaigns. You can see exactly which keywords are driving leads and sales, allowing you to optimize your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. This data-driven approach is essential for making informed marketing decisions and maximizing your budget. When it comes to PPC advertising, several platforms dominate the landscape, each offering unique advantages for engineering and manufacturing firms. Google Ads. As the world's largest search engine, Google Ads offers unparalleled reach. It allows you to target users based on keywords, demographics, interests, and more. Its extensive network ensures your ads are seen by a vast audience actively searching for products and services. Microsoft Advertising. While Google Ads takes the lead, Microsoft Advertising shouldn't be overlooked. It provides access to a different user base, often with less competition and potentially lower ad costs. Additionally, Microsoft Advertising integrates seamlessly with the LinkedIn platform, offering valuable B2B targeting options. LinkedIn Ads. As the leading professional networking platform, LinkedIn Ads is a powerhouse for B2B marketing. It allows you to target specific job titles, industries, and companies, making it ideal for reaching decision-makers in engineering and manufacturing. Its sophisticated targeting options ensure your ads are seen by the most relevant professionals. Choosing the right platform depends on your target audience and marketing goals. For broader reach and general keywords, Google Ads is a solid choice. For more specialized targeting and B2B audiences, LinkedIn Ads excels. Microsoft Advertising provides a balance between the two with a potentially less competitive landscape. Section 4. Crafting high-performing PPC ads. Creating effective PPC ads is crucial for attracting clicks and driving conversions. Here are some practical tips to keep in mind. Relevance is key. Your ads should be highly relevant to the keywords you're targeting and the landing page where users will be directed. Avoid being too broad or using clickbait tactics. Compelling headlines. Your headline is the first thing people see, so make it count. Use strong action words, highlight your unique selling proposition, and create a sense of urgency. Clear call to action. Tell users exactly what you want them to do. Whether it's request a quote, download a brochure, or contact us today, make the next step clear and easy to follow. A/B testing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ad variations. Test different headlines, descriptions, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Section 5. PPC, Amplifying Your Tech Firm's Growth. In a nutshell, PPC advertising is a powerful tool for engineering and manufacturing firms looking to boost their online presence, generate leads, and drive sales. Its ability to target specific audiences, track results, and provide a measurable return on investment makes it an invaluable asset in today's digital marketplace. By understanding the fundamentals of PPC, choosing the right platforms, and crafting compelling ads, you can unlock the full potential of this advertising channel. Embrace the power of PPC and watch your tech firm's growth soar in the digital age. Don't let your competition outmaneuver you in the digital landscape. Start exploring PPC advertising today and position your engineering or manufacturing firm for success in the ever-evolving world of online marketing.